There's another one. Oh my God, there's another one on the other bed. No way. No way. No way. That's a big one. Come on. Come on. We gotta get one of these fish. Come on. There's one to my left, one to my right. This is the one to my left. They haven't really made their beds. It's weird. The beds are like messy. So maybe they're less territorial of them. Oh my God, that's a big fish. This one's the bigger of the two, I would say. Boom. That's a big crappie. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's a big fish. No, I don't like him coming up like that. You bastard, get over here. Let's go. That is a massive, massive crappie. Oh my God. Oh my God. That might be one of my biggest ever. Dude, that is a bucket mouth. What a freaking fish that was, and what a mission it was to catch him. All I had to do was slow it down. Definitely one of my favorites to catch. And when you catch fish that are on beds, it means they're spawning. So the right thing to do always is to put them right back on their bed because they're not going to leave. That is a monstrosity of a crappie. I can't even get over that. And I knew it as soon as I saw him too. All right, bud. There you go. Oh my God. I think that's probably podium. That's probably top 3 crappie I've ever caught. All right, I think I got one right here. Yeah, that's a crappie. All right, here we go. So hopefully I can catch him before I lose visibility. Yep. See, I've said this in previous videos, but some of them you need to work for a half hour, and other ones right away. Oh, there's another one right there. Look at that. I think that's the one I caught last time, though, so I'm probably going to leave him alone. A little overwhelmed at the moment. Come here, buddy. Boom. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh boy, he's angry. Nice fish. These are, hands down, one of my absolute favorites to catch. Whoa, I almost just freaking collapsed. Nice fish, man. All right, let's put him back. Got a little distracted. Big angry pickerel. Flew right onto the bed. Hope he doesn't spook the fish out. Stop it, stop it. You're spooking my crappie. There it goes. Crappie's still there. He's probably even less inclined to bite. We got him. Well, we hooked him. Whew. that took some convincing. I had to get him, I had to keep resting it on the actual sand. And he started motioning towards it, and I was like, all right, he's getting madder and madder. Come on, let's get him, let's get him. Awesome. Oh, that was pretty cool. And I didn't get this part on video, but I was gonna walk past this because I didn't see him. And I thought to myself, you know, last year there was a bed here, where'd it go? And I had to look a little harder, and I saw him there. Hell yeah. Hell yes. Oh, that's awesome. They are so cool, man. Big one too. All right, that was pretty sweet. He was a freaking tough sell. Putting him right back on his bed. There he goes, right back down. Saw another big bass swim off the shallows there. Yeah, I don't know what it is about him, but like, ooh, look. Oh, it's a pickerel. There is a bass. I definitely saw a bass, but this is just a big stupid pickerel. Come on, buddy. Is that another crappie? Oh my god, this is awesome. That's another crappie. Okay, they're loaded up. I don't know if the camera can see this. You can see them right there. You really need sunglasses to do this because, especially, and there's no wind right now. If there's a little bit of wind, freaking forget it. All right, let's see if we can catch this one. I'm just gonna let it sink right in front of him. And, oh, looked at it. Okay, there's a bass, a pickerel, and a crappie all within like a foot of each other. This is a finicky fish here. Very tricky, very tricky. That literally, I don't even know if he went to eat that. That actually landed in his mouth. Like that was the most accurate cast I've ever made in my entire life. Where's my net? Oh, I've been dragging my net this whole time. Sweet. I do not know if he actually motioned to eat it or if I just dropped it like perfectly. You can see the hole there. Sweet. Right back on. There he goes. Got a little baby. That is the smallest crappie that I've ever seen in this lake. He was not on bed. He just came out there and crushed it. It's pretty cool. Sweet. I mean, he might have been on this little bed here. I don't know. So I'll try to aim him that way. So much life in this lake right now. All it took was like a really warm week and everything woke up. There's pickerel everywhere. Like you can, I'm not even trying to catch these. And there's bass too, but I haven't gotten any of them to eat. There's bluegill and the reeds everywhere. There's crappie on beds. This is just getting silly now. This one, this one wasn't even on a bed. He just piped it. Oh, jumping crappies. Another one. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. There's the perch. If we can land him. Ooh, big perch came up to it. There's another crappie. What is, dude, this is insane. This is like, come on, there we go. Next cast, got another one. That last cast, literally a perch came up to it, and then the crappie bullied him out of the way to eat this freaking crawfish. What do we got now? Oh, I foul hooked a bluegill. Oh no, I didn't foul hook him. I got him fair. Fish every cast. Fish every cast. That's a nice bluegill too. Big male. Let's see what we get on the next cast. Look, I have a herd of bluegill following this trout magnet right now. Oh, there he is, there's one. Or is that a pumpkin seed? That's a pumpkin seed. So if we get a bass now, we get the grand slam. You wouldn't think that would be so damn hard, but they're just weird this time of year. We just need a dink. We just need a dink bass, and then we're set. They'd probably get a hold of that a lot better. We interrupt this crappie fishing to bring you pumpkin seed slay. That's a big one. So last time I was here, it was a really big bed with a big crappie on it. I couldn't get him to eat. Yeah, I see the bed. Bed's still there. Let's see if the fish is still there. Yeah, I think that's him right there. Yeah, that's him. All right. Look, this whole school of bluegill here. All right, round 2. Oh, bluegill just took it. Oh, look at that, look at that. The crappie, look. The crappie's pushing the bluegill off his bed. This is a big fish. I think this one's a little bit bigger than the others. All right, I'm starting to lose all my visibility because we got the cloud coming in. So I'll check back in a couple minutes when it clears. I just pissed this guy off. I bet you he's ready to eat now. Watch. He's definitely showing more interest. With these finickier fish, if you lay it on the actual ground, they really don't like that. I bet he's gonna eat soon. I got a feeling. Yep, called it. They do not like it when you drop it on the actual ground. Come on. Big fish, very big fish. All right, yeah, it's probably the nicest one I've got today. Get a picture of him. Gotta love it. There he goes. It's funny. on my way out, I'll walk past all these fish on their beds. Be like, oh, I caught that one, caught that one. Oh, there's another one right there. Okay, this is stupid. This is dummy stupid now. He's gonna get all clouded up. Let's catch him as quickly as possible here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to, 'cause I don't know how I'm gonna walk over that bed. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it right away, eat it right away. Don't give me a hard time right now, just eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Yes, thank you. The only way this is gonna work is if I catch him. Oh, I lost him. That sucks. I was gonna say the only way this works is if I catch him and then I walk over his bed while I have him and then put him back on his bed. That way I don't spook him, but I lost him, so he's gone now. That sucks. And he's right back on his bed. If this fish eats again, that's stupid. He came right back. You gonna eat it again, buddy? That'd be pretty brain dead of you to do that. Yeah, it's probably reasonable to assume that I'm gonna need to throw something new at him. Okay, here comes a pickerel. All kinds of going on right now. Damn you, slime dragon. That's a big fish. We caught the same fish again. That's pretty cool. Just gave him a different lure. Man, he's big too. That's a pretty sweet story there. Didn't get the hook up on camera, but damn, that's another freaking toad. Ah, Jesus Christ. You're not the sharpest crappie in the pond, are you, bud? Nice. See, he's got some dark coloration forming there, so he's about to spawn. So this is what I was trying to say the first time. I'm gonna have to walk over his bed to get to the other bed. So now that I have him in my hand, I can go around his bed instead of trampling over him. I'm a pretty smart guy. I'm a pretty smart guy. And now we put him back on my backside. Nobody gets spooked. That was pretty sick.